What's good, y'all? It's your boy Tiger365, and you know, it's been a while since I haven't posted no video, but today I got the very special shoes for you guys. Before we get started, and if you're new to my channel, you know what to do for me. Just go ahead and subscribe, or you could see the bell. If you could click on it just to, you know, whenever I drop the video, so you will see it. So before everything, I would thank you guys for following me on Instagram. Still the same name, Tiger365, TYGAR365, and thanks for your support, guys. You know, I can't do it without you guys. I couldn't do it. So you guys, thanks again for helping to grow my channel. So let's get to the shoe, and this one, it's special. You could see the box. It looks like one of the what's the Jeters, Lowe's, Jordan 11 in the same box. And right now we got a different shoes in the same box, size 10, and you can retail is $225. The box is, you know, black box, black tissue, and the white in it. Put the shoes on the side, and this other shoe. Put the box on my side right there. So here's the shoe, y'all. It's a very nice, you know, it's a dark blue, or you could say the navy blue suede, premium suede. You can see the color change when you swipe your hands different ways. You see that the color change. And you got the yellow Jumpman on the side. The bottom is like my favorite on the Jordan 12. I feel like this is what I like better more than every Jordan. I like the bottom and the Jumpman and the 23. In the back of it, you could see the 23 in yellow and the Jumpman tag in the back of it. And inside, you could see the inside. It's like, I feel it. It's so soft, and that's a soft. It's a soft. Leather inside. Blue lace. It says Jumpman on the tip. The biggest M from Michigan, you know. And you know, all the Jordan 12 always got that T, you know. All the Jordan 12 got that TWO and 3, you know. Same in the other tongue, guys. That's a Jumpman, and you can see the M and the Jumpman on the other side, and both of them say TWO 3. That's the shoe, y'all. It's really nice, and I'm about to try it on my. That's a quick review, so to catch me for the foot review, guys. Thanks again. You know, I've been sick lately. My voice I'm not feeling too good, so that's the reason why I don't do video. I got more shoes to review today. I'm just giving you a quick look. Just pick it up from Foot Locker. Alright, I'm out. Thanks again.